This is Caravan Salon Düsseldorf, and I've got this unusual looking vehicle from German company, and this is electric, and they're telling me that this can do 600 kilometers of one charge, which is pretty good. Now, I don't know a huge amount of the technical stuff about it, but there will be a link below, and there is information, so I'm told, on their website. But what I'm now going to show you here is you've got this bit at the back comes out, so there's a bit of a slide out there. Now, the standing height isn't so good, of course, because at the moment it's using one of these pop-up things. But having said that, there's as much room in this as there is in a VW, for example. Let's just have a look here, because I mean, what they've done is they've set it up as a sort of a car or something with these rather garish colours in. But what one could do is get space for a bed, get some water inside it. I mean, obviously you stick water in it, then water weighs, and so you're not going to be 600 kilometres, you might be down to 400 by the time you've actually kitted it out properly. But using lightweight materials, that would be super interesting as a project. Obviously put captain's chairs there in the front. If I don't know what the cost is for something like this, but that is a potential electric camper van. Now, one of the subjects I've had a lot of talking about recently is that of how electric can it be. In my opinion, it needs still to cook off gas, and you certainly you have to heat it via gas or via diesel or via wood or something like that. It won't work otherwise. But I think, though, something like this is a step in the right direction, and I think it looks quite good, quite interesting. So why isn't it on the road as an electric van? I can't answer that question. I don't know. And that would, of course, be a question that one would ask. It does look a bit like a toy, but it also has, with this colour scheme, it is somewhat reminiscent of the VW Bully, the VW California, or something along those lines. So, anyway, I don't know if this is from Kircher, who are well known for their cleaning equipment. Maybe it is from Kircher. I assumed that the company was only a distributor of Kircher, but maybe it is Kircher. There you go. For camper von Kircher, for campers from Kircher. And so I really do like Kircher, because I'll just make this minor point here. The equipment, I really enjoyed cleaning with it, because you get the high pressure hose. But I've been told not to use the high pressure hose on the camper at all, because it can damage the parts where you've been sort of glued together, from one panel to the other. So not to use the high pressure hose, which is a pity, because it was good fun. And I do see people who have rental businesses who are using it, but where I am now, I've actually told them to stop using it because of the damage it could do to the vehicles that we have. Anyway, there you go. There is a electric camper van, possible electric camper van from Kircher. Anyway, I like seeing things like this. Very exciting, and let's hope that one day it will come onto the road. It rather reminds me of them funny Italian things from the 70s, well, 60s was it? Anyway, all the best. Thanks for watching.